Today I'm cleaning this wool rug. It's pretty thin and it's pretty tight weave, but it's real flimsy, so I'm sure this one's a bear to vacuum. But anyway, got all the pet treatment done on it, and now we're just finishing out putting some cleaner on it, and then we're gonna power through this thing with a little bit of pressure and knock out all the dirt that's stuck between the fibers and flush out the pet treatment and the cleaner, and we'll have a clean rug. Now we're in the rinsing process. I've already rinsed most of this out. Got a little bit left. Sorry, I know the fans are probably loud, but it gets a little warm in here. This is the extraction and rinsing process. I actually have the vacuum and the water pressure turned off. It's just so loud in the videos, but basically I have this setup that I built, and it's pretty much just a carpet cleaning machine. So it's one of the final stages before it goes on the drying rack. This rinses out any leftover dirt and pulls out as much moisture as I can possibly get out before it hangs up to dry. And here it is on the rug rack, ready to go tomorrow. Turned out really good. No pet smell, very clean, soft. It's gonna look great. Be ready to go tomorrow.